Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2024 Nissan Altima and I will show you how to fold down the back seats. This video should apply to Nissan Altimas made from 2019 all the way up to 2025. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Now, to fold these seats, actually you have to do it from the trunk area. Some vehicles will have like a small lever tucked in somewhere inside here, but on this Nissan you have to open the trunk and do it from that area. Okay, I just did that, and now I will show you. You see you have like a small lever to pull here. This is for the left portion of the back seat, and this one right here is for the right portion of the back seat. So if you pull it, the seat should fall down. That will actually unlock it, and then if you proceed here, it will go all the way down. Okay, and that way you get much more cargo space. The seats are not completely flat, unfortunately, with the trunk area, but still it's a good feature. To lift the seats back up, all you have to do, pull them up and it should just pop in place, just like that. And the other side will do the same. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.